This simple bread is absolutely charming, and you can have it on your table in about 35 minutes. To enjoy plain or toasted, you will need 1 teaspoon each of baking powder, bicarbonate of soda, salt and coriander, 2 cups of flour, either both whole wheat or with 1 white flour. Mix in a generous cup of yogurt or milk kefir and 1 whole egg. Place these ingredients in a large bowl, mix together, and then knead the dough about 30 times. Roll it flat and then place it in a buttered tin or mold. Score the surface and bake it for half an hour. It's ready. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. I hope you will make it, and I would look forward to your comments. Thank you for subscribing to the channel.